Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Get ready because today we are diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated compact cameras in the photography world, the Leica Q4. There have been countless whispers, leaks and speculations surrounding this upcoming powerhouse, and today, we're going to break down everything you need to know. Will it be the ultimate compact camera, or will it fall into the trap of being another overpriced luxury gadget? Let's separate fact from fiction, sift through the marketing noise, and truly understand what this camera could bring to the table. A legacy of excellence. The Leica Q series. If you're familiar with Leica, you know that the Q series has always held a special place in the industry. The original Leica Q, introduced in 2015, brought that signature Leica quality into a compact, full-frame package, making high-end photography more accessible to enthusiasts. Then came the Leica Q2, delivering higher resolution, improved autofocus, and a solid build that solidified its reputation. The Q3 followed suit, modernizing the lineup with a tilting touchscreen and updated image processing. Now, 4 years after the Q3's release, the photography world is buzzing with anticipation. What will the Leica Q4 bring? Leica Q4 rumored features and upgrades. The sensor. A powerhouse of image quality. Leaks suggest that the Leica Q4 will feature the same 50-megapixel sensor found in the Leica M11, but with optimization tailored for the Q series. This means improved dynamic range, cleaner high ISO performance, and stunning image clarity. Paired with a next-gen Maestro image processor, we could see enhanced burst rates, better noise reduction, and improved autofocus speeds. Lens. Refining perfection. The Q series has always been known for its legendary 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens. While Leica is unlikely to change this core component, there are rumors of new optical coatings to enhance micro-contrast, reduce flare, and improve color accuracy. If true, this could elevate image quality even further, making the Leica Q4 one of the sharpest compact cameras on the market. Autofocus. Hybrid AF for faster performance. Autofocus has always been an area where the Q series lagged slightly. While the Q3 improved things, rumors now point toward a hybrid phase detection and contrast detection autofocus system. This upgrade could make the Leica Q4 more capable of capturing fast-moving subjects, making it an excellent choice for street and action photography. 5-axis in-body image stabilization. One of the biggest speculated upgrades is the introduction of 5-axis in-body image stabilization. If Leica manages to integrate IBIS into the Q4, it would be a game-changer for handheld low-light photography and video recording, allowing for sharper images at slower shutter speeds and smoother video footage. Video capabilities. A true hybrid camera? The Leica Q series has never been a go-to choice for videographers, but the Q4 might change that. Rumors suggest support for 8K video recording, 4K at 60 frames per second, and an improved Cine-Log profile for greater post-production flexibility. If true, this would significantly expand the Q4's usability beyond photography, making it a true hybrid camera. A fully articulating OLED touchscreen and EVF enhancements. A tilting screen was a long-requested feature that finally appeared in the Q3. Now we might see a fully articulating OLED touchscreen, giving users more versatility for composing shots at various angles. Additionally, Leica could introduce a higher-resolution electronic viewfinder for a crisper and more immersive shooting experience. Connectivity and battery life improvements. The Q4 could also introduce Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and an internal 1TB SSD for lightning-fast file transfers and storage. Improved battery life would also be a welcome upgrade, especially given the power demands of new features like IBIS and 8K recording. Build quality and weather sealing. Leica cameras are known for their build quality, and the Q4 is expected to uphold this tradition. Leaks hint at IP53 weather sealing, making it more resistant to dust and water. This would make the Leica Q4 even more appealing for outdoor and travel photographers. Expected release date and pricing. Given Leica's release patterns, the Q4 will likely debut in late 2026 or early 2027. As for the price, the Leica Q3 already pushes $6,000, and with all these rumored upgrades, the Q4 could land anywhere between $6,500 to $7,500 for the base model. Special editions could push the price even higher, making this one of the most expensive compact cameras ever. Is the Leica Q4 worth it? With all these rumors swirling, the biggest question remains: is the Q4 worth the wait and the price? If it delivers on these leaks, it could be a true game changer for photographers who demand the highest quality in a compact form. However, it still faces limitations, such as the fixed 28mm lens, which might not suit everyone's shooting style. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more in-depth tech and photography content. Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone. See you in the next one.